I chose this course because I really enjoy being at Coleg Gwent. I enjoy seeing my friends every day. I also enjoy the atmosphere that it brings. I really love being in the class with people who understand my struggles and what I have been through. I didn't want to go into work because I wouldn't have had any opportunities really. I wouldn't have achieved as much as I can now. Being in Coleg Gwent, I really wanted to get my qualifications and I really wanted to do it so I could do it for myself and for my family to be proud of me. In this course we cover mental health aspects, we cover your well-being, we also cover healthy eating, and we cover sexual health and stress and how to cope well with that. I really want to do business, but I just need my maths and English GCSE. So I'm going on to level 3 business next year and then university eventually. The Inspire team are a pastoral kit. They are absolutely amazing. I have worked with them for a year now and I love them. They are like my big sisters. They are so supportive and so caring towards me. They help me so much with my mental health. I would recommend Coleg Gwent massively because I enjoy it and I feel like it has so many facilities, so many opportunities here. Tutors are exceptional. I wouldn't have got here without Coleg Gwent.